Hello everyone, today I will show you how to enable Find My iPhone on iOS 18. And here's how it is done. Open Settings. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID, your name. At the top of the Settings menu, tap your name to access your Apple ID settings. Select Find My. In the Apple ID settings, tap on Find My. Enable Find My iPhone. Tap Find My iPhone. Toggle to switch to Turn it on. Enable Find My Network optional. You can also turn on Find My Network, which allows you to locate your iPhone even when it is offline or powered off. Enable Send Last Location. It is also recommended to enable Send Last Location, which will send the last known location of your iPhone to Apple when the battery is critically low. Once Find My iPhone is enabled, you can track, lock, or erase your iPhone remotely through the Find My app on another Apple device or through iCloud.com. And that is everything you need to know about how to enable Find My iPhone on iOS 18. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.